scan the QR code on the bottom of the device, or search for and download the ECOVACS Home app from your App Store. After installation and registration, open the app to access the main interface. Tap the Scan to Connect button, scan the QR code on the back of the main unit, and follow the in-app instructions to complete the connection. You can also choose different cleaning modes, including Fast Clean, Thorough Clean, Edge Clean, etc. You can also use the manual control button to select a top or bottom view, directing the robot's movement and controlling manual water spraying as needed. Thank you for watching. Tap Help in the app settings to find more advanced operations.
ECOVACS, created for ease.